Verifying your WhatsApp account is essential for using the app securely and effectively. Follow these steps to ensure your account is verified properly. Step 1. Download and install WhatsApp. Begin by downloading the WhatsApp application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, install the app on your device. Step 2. Open WhatsApp and agree to terms. Launch the app and read through the terms and conditions. Tap on agree and continue to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Select your country code and enter your phone number. Make sure to input the correct number, as this will be used for verification. Step 4. Receive verification code. After entering your phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Check your messages for this code and enter it into the app when prompted. Step 5. Complete your profile. Once your number is verified, you can set up your profile by adding your name and a profile picture. This step is optional but helps your contacts recognize you. Now your WhatsApp account is verified and ready for use. Enjoy connecting with friends and family.